O day of fire and sun,
pure as a naked flame,
laughter and hearts so high that the spirit flew off free, lifting into the sky,
diving into the sea.
O day of fire and sun,
Like a crystal burning, slow days go one by one, but you have no returning.